Hi guys, it's Chloe from C&R Toys again, and I have my best friend Grace.
Hi.
We are going to do the Charm Muse today, a new thing for us. And I think this time I'll choose, and I'm going to go for this blue one here. I like the packaging.
It's very eye-catching, I think.
Yeah, especially colours are bright, aren't they?
Yeah.
Ooh, I like the little charms. You don't get the bracelet in here. This is it series? I don't know what series it is. These are 60 to collect, put it that way. Right, let's get into it. The very, oh, you get stickers. Ooh. Ooh.
They're easy to open, aren't they?
They are. Oh, have I got one missing? No. It's there.
I found it. It was trying to escape.
We had an escapee. Right. I'll talk about that in a minute. Right, so is that a robot? A bit closer. Yeah. I can't get into the stickers. Who was this one? Let's have a look. So the one that Grace showed was Metalona, by the looks of it. The stickers are the checklist of what you've got. And then which one? The melon.
The melon.
Walter Melon.
Oh, look at its face. It's so cute.
So that's that one. And then I have, this matches your necklace.
Peas in a bud.
P1 and P2, that's what they're called.
Oh, look at their eyes.
So you've got the sticker, I think, is it? Yeah, it's a little sticker as your checklist.
Cute.
Right, you do get one in this little bag. It's squishy. Oh, it has a water bottle.
That's it.
And the straps. So they are very detailed. Let's have a look who we've got. What is it? Oh, it's an elephant.
It's called Big Bitsy.
Oh, look at it. Oh, it looks sad.
That makes me feel sad.
Oh. Right, so I'll put her there. So who are you going to go for? And we'll put them in the bag at the end.
I'm going to go for that pink one.
Because you can they'll all fit in your bag as well. I like the bags.
Let's open this one.
Don't do what I did. Made one go flying.
Yeah. I bet it felt all left out.
Yeah?
I'll let you open them.
Oh, thank you.
No, I don't want to lose them. That's easier.
It was just me not looking. So who are we going for first then?
It is a little ice cream sundae.
You've got Sunday.
That's cute. Look at his little cup.
Has it got one eye? Yes, one eye.
It's winking.
That's cute. That's so
That's
cute.
adorable.
Then which one?
And then we have a turtle.
Serena Sea Turtle.
It looks so happy.
It's got huge eyes.
Yeah, but
Wow.
it looks kind of scary too.
Yeah, it's like, oh my
Yeah.
god, we're shocked.
That is cute though. They're so tiny.
They are.
Oh, it's fallen. There we go.
They're not easy to stand up, to be fair.
It's a ring.
You've got Ginny Gemstone.
That is cute.
I like the blue. I like its time. The gemstone.
That is cute.
Alright, so who have you got in your pink bag?
Ooh, exciting. Let's have a look. A little And let's see if we can get it out. It's so sparkly.
Oh, is it sparkling? Wow.
That
is Violet von Vinza.
That is cute. So sparkly.
I like her face. Have you seen her face on it?
Oh, she's happy.
Right, I'm going to go for... I'm going to go for this one here.
Another pink one.
Yeah. It's got a person this time.
Ooh.
I'll hand you the check stickers, as I'll call them now.
Okay.
Not checklist, check stickers. There, look, I did it.
Yay!
No, it's escaped.
She's letting these escape, guys.
Oh no, they're running away. It's not my fault.
There we go.
Right, we're gonna go for the love heart first.
You have Pinky.
Oh, I like that name. It's my favourite colour as well.
Of course, it's my favourite colour
It's
too.
winking. Ooh.
Yeah, that's cute.
It's a love one. And then we're gonna go for the baseball bat and glove.
Oh yes, it's Cecilia Fielder.
So you've got the glove there, but if you turn it around, you have the ball.
That's quite a cute one.
There.
I like that.
It looks very surprised, as if, yay, I've caught the ball.
That's cute. Pop that there.
And then we've got the little man.
You have Prince Fortunato.
Ooh.
That's a very posh name.
Yeah. Ooh. I wonder if he can stand. Or if his head's too big.
His head's too big.
Yeah, head's too big. Right. Let's see what's in this pink bag.
Who we got?
Okay, there we go.
So exciting. Pop. And you have...
A double.
We
A
have
repeat. A peep-peat.
P1 and P2.
A peep-peat. Not a repeat, a peep-peat.
Peep. I like that. So there we go.
Right, it's your turn.
Okay, I think this time I'm going to go for the green one.
I knew you were going to do that.
Yes, because I like to be awkward. I find these exciting.
I like it because you don't know what you're going to get in the bag.
I'll give you the stickers.
Thank you.
Ooh. And then here we go.
Get the stickers out.
Okay, so first
What are we going for?
we'll go for a piece of pie with ice cream.
Okay, that is Smiles à la mode.
Now that's cute.
So there's your sticker. You can put these like in a book
Yeah.
or on. Oh, you can put them anywhere, really, can't you? Ooh, I've got one stuck to me.
Oh, you're going there. So that one's that one. And then we have a little gnome.
Right, you've got Theodosius Thistlethorn, I think it is. I'm not 100% sure. What do you think?
Yeah, that's quite a hard one to
Yeah,
pronounce.
that's like a tongue twister type thing. Thistlethorn Theodus, I think. If you've had these before and I've said it wrong, please comment below.
Oh, is this one a seahorse?
Yes.
Yes.
That one is Yoshi Ocean Pony.
That's cute. She kind of looks like she's sleeping.
Sleep smiling.
Yeah, I'll go with that one.
Let's have a look in your green yellow bag.
Let's have a look what we've got. I'll give you that without looking.
Thank you.
And tip it out. And we have another sparkly one.
See, with these ones, you don't know if the sparklers are rare or not. It doesn't say as the stickers. And that is Cotton Candy.
Ooh, I like that name.
I do, and it's so cute. She looks, or he looks like he's how would you say it? Puppy dog eyes.
Yeah.
Like she's done something wrong and she's trying to get out of trouble.
Like me.
I'm going to go for this one because it has shoes and headphones, and it has a lion.
Ooh.
I like the packaging at the top because it shows you what you've got and they look quite fun. Collect, wear and trade. So if you've got repeats you can trade with your friends. Or if they've got one that you like. Well, I'm not doing very well today, am I?
Sorry guys, she's a bit...
Butterfingery.
Yes. Here I have the stickers.
Yeah, you keep them. Before I lose them.
Yes.
Right, we're going to go for the shoes first.
The shoes first. And we have Shuella.
Mmm.
That's a catchy name.
Yeah, I like the facial expressions. You can't really
Thank
see. You
you.
might be able to see better on the stickers. Then we have the headphones.
Headphones.
Well, that's not original, is it?
No.
Headphones. Could have called them earphones. But I think they're quite cute.
They are.
And they'll dangle like that, so you won't be able to really see the face. And at the moment, for the non-mystery one, it's last but not least, the lovely lion.
This one's a cute name. Nervous Rex.
It's a lion, not a T-Rex.
But it's a nervous lion.
Why? Well, okay.
It's a cute name.
But it doesn't look nervous.
It just looks innocent.
Yeah, as if to say I've done nothing wrong. Right. Let's get this sticker out.
Oh.
I'm not looking. It won't come out. Well, we've got an elephant again.
We have Big Bitsy again.
Well, we've got two now.
She's still cute.
Double you up
Put that
there.
sticker there.
Might as well double P's up.
Yeah. Oh no, that's not the P.
The P's are there.
Oh, there.
They're in there.
Ooh,
Go
both
on.
blue ones left.
Yep.
I will go for this one. I'll have this one.
Well, I'll open this one while you're doing that one as well. And then if we've got it out, I don't lose them.
That's true.
I just have butterfingers to do it. Oops, sorry. I'll do it that way.
Are we swapping stickers?
Yeah. You've got a super cute one.
Hmm?
You've got a super cute one.
Okay. We will go for the heel first.
The heel, okay. That is Lady Footworthy.
That's adorable.
So she's worthy of your feet.
Of course.
We'll move these back a bit. And then we can fit some more.
This is super cute.
Yeah, that was the one that I was on about.
That is so cute.
That is Serger Shell.
Look at his little shell. It has such big eyes.
Yep.
It just looks so...
It looks like, to be fair, on the sticker it looks like it's got a beak the way it's drawn.
I see what you mean.
But it is cute. Them eyes just look like, oh, like the cat used to do in Puss in Boots.
Put the sad face on.
Yeah.
Yeah. Ooh, and now we have a pineapple. It looks like a funky pineapple.
Piney Appleton. That's what it's called.
Piney Appleton. Ooh.
It looks groovy, baby.
It has the biggest smile.
Yes, from ear, well, eye to eye.
Yeah.
Because it's got no ears.
That's true.
There we go.
And now for the bag.
I'm excited.
Okay. We'll get the sticker out first.
Why, thank you.
And then... Ooh!
Cotton candy again.
It's another sparkly one.
We have cotton candy.
Mmm.
Right. I'll give you the stickers.
The stickers, thank you very much.
Right, we are going to go for the yellow one first.
The yellow one
Yes.
is Penny Candle.
Candle?
Mm.
Candy. Oh, it's candy.
Candy, sorry.
It looks like
I misread that one.
It's like me. Well, she looks cute, but it looks like a puffer fish a bit.
Yeah,
It doesn't look like a candy to me.
it's cute though.
I like
You've
the
got
eyes.
to admit it's cute.
I like her eyes. And because it's Penny, it's a girl. Now I'm going to go for the blue one.
Now this one is called Bluefus.
Sorry. Oh, they come up with some names, don't they?
Yeah, but they're unusual names, which makes them...
You can just see the black line through his mouth where it's a smile-ish.
Oh, oh yeah.
I think he's cute.
He is cute.
Has a little tail.
He seems to have a really long head though.
It's his snout.
Mm.
It's really long. Right, the last one for these
I knocked him over.
is the cup. I think, yeah, it's a cup.
Yep. And this one is called Cup of Joe.
A cup of Joe.
Mmm.
Well, yeah, that's what you call it. I'll have a cup of Joe, please.
That's actually quite cute.
And I like the colour because it's two-toned.
And it's pink.
Yeah.
Our favourite colour, of course.
See, you've got all the sparklers.
I'm sorry.
I want a sparkler.
You might get a sparkler. Thank you.
Well,
Again, we have a nervous Rex.
well, I didn't get no sparklers.
Yeah.
I'm
sorry I nicked them all.
Yeah. Oh well, that's the luck of the draw.
Yeah.
That's how the cookie crumbles.
Yeah, as they say.
Yep. So we'll put him there. Right. I actually enjoyed these. They're really small, but they're to go on your onto a charm.
Mm.
Hopefully we'll be getting some more. Now, which one do you like the best? Because there's quite a few to choose from.
Yeah. But I've got to admit, my favourite one is the peas. They're just cute.
I'm going to have to go for... it's out of two of them. It's out of the Ginny Gemstone or Sienna Sea Turtle. And I think I'll choose the Sea Turtle.
Yeah.
Purely because of the smile. Look, if you look in the camera... Look,
It stands out.
Yeah, he's like,
It does stand
pick me. Right, which bag? I know I've got so many blues and so many
Pink, purely because my favourite colour.
Now I'm going to go for the yellow one or green because it stands out more because it's brighter.
Yeah.
Now, are we going to put them in?
Okay.
We'll keep these ones out. So let's see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Well, you can fit about 10 in a bag. And then you can put your stickers.
They're actually quite heavy once they're full.
Yeah.
It actually adds quite a bit of weight to them.
Well, yeah. And then just put your stickers in one. Right, that's a double in it. You're a double. So I'll put them there. So we've put in the stickers in the blue. and just best tidy up. So we slot them in. See, look, you wouldn't even know anything was in them. Now would you? There we go, and you can stick them on your keys, your backpack, anything really. So comment, like and subscribe to the channel. Leave a comment. Thank you for watching, and this is Chloe.
And this is Grace.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye.